Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to have the exercise answers of direct and indirect speech. With the first one, she confessed that she had been very foolish. The answer is she said I have been very foolish. So the second one, he inquired of me if I knew the way. Answer is he said to me, do you know the way? The third one, he bade goodbye to his friend. So the answer is he said goodbye friends. Now the fourth one, Arun said the rain prevented me from coming to this place. The answer is Arun said that the rain had prevented him from going to that place. Now the fifth one. The teacher said to the boys, I shall prove now that the earth moves round the sun. So the answer is the teacher told the boys that he would prove them that the earth moves round the sun. Now the sixth one. He said to me, may God bless you. Now the answer is he prayed that God might bless me. Now the seventh one. She told me that she could easily beat me in singing. So the answer is she said to me, I can easily beat you in singing. Now the eighth one. He inquired of us whether we were going away that day. So the answer is he said to us, are you going away today? Now the second part. First answer. Leela said, let me have some coffee. So the answer is Leela wished to have some coffee, or you can write that she might have some coffee. Now the second question. Arundhati asked me whether I played tennis. Answer is Arundhati said to me, do you play tennis? Now the third one. How beautiful the sunset looks tonight, said Neelam. Answer is Neelam exclaimed that the sunset looked very beautiful that night. Now the fourth one. Says I am glad to be here today. The answer is he says he is glad to be here today. Now the fifth one. Swami requested him to wait there till he returned. So the answer is Swami said to him, please wait here till I return. Now the sixth one. He said to us, are you going to Mumbai today? Answer is he inquired of us whether we were going to Mumbai that day. Now the seventh one. He wished that he might have some ice cream. So the answer is he said, I wish to have some ice cream, or let me have some ice cream. Now the eighth one. The teacher said to me, I have never seen such a careless girl as you. Now the answer is the teacher told me that she had never seen such a careless girl as I was. Now the ninth. It may rain this evening, said the farmer. So the answer is the farmer said that it might rain that evening. Now the 10th one. Mr. Majumdar told the children not to play with fire. So the answer is children do not play with fire, said Mr. Majumdar. So that's it about this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.